Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the 24/7. My name is Niharika Valia, and I'm with you with the area of AFB. Okay, so shall we begin? Okay, if you haven't downloaded our app yet, then you should go ahead with it because on our app you'll be able to access our classes in a better way. Along with that, all the details regarding the examination, any updates are also available here in the area of the job alerts, and along with that, any details regarding the live classes, any offers that are available would be also shown on our app. Along with that, you will be also getting the discounts further on in the app because you get collected coins, and on the basis of that you can also take up different offers. So if you haven't reviewed it yet, then kindly go ahead. um, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then kindly go ahead and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon in order to know more about the JIB examination, because we are coming up with more and more classes every single day. So that would be helpful for you in order to know more and more about the JIB examination as well as the CIB examination. Okay. The 3000 case study batch has just started. If you're looking forward towards that, then the PPB, AFB, and LRB batch has started on 10th of October. This is a 3000 plus MCQ plus PYQ plus 600 case study batch where you'll find all the details regarding the JIB MCQ series. So go ahead and check it out. In this, you'll also get the live and video classes as well. That means you will also get the recorded classes so that if in case you have any doubts, then you can look forward to that. Next, the JIB bilingual batch has also started. There you'll get 3000 plus MCQs plus PYQs plus 6000 case studies. That has started on October 3rd, so you can check it out as well. Okay, so here comes the first question, everyone. The first question says the depreciation under sum of years digits is calculated with the help of which of the following? The sum of the digits is calculated on the basis of which of the following? Written down value minus salvage multiplied by remaining useful life divided by sum of years digit. Then it is original cost minus salvage. Then we have written down value minus salvage. Then original cost minus salvage value multiplied by remaining life of the asset divided by the sum of years digit. Sum of year digit method is another among the various methods that are used. As such, there are many methods for depreciation, but in your examination there are only a few that are relevant. So among them, sum of digits method can also be asked in your examination in the form of a numerical. Okay. The correct answer would be original cost minus salvage value multiplied by remaining useful life divided by sum of years digit method. For example, if I have 5 years, so what will I do? I'll add it like 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So this will give me the depreciable value, the depreciation that can be charged over the life of the asset, multiplied by remaining useful life. If it's the first year, then 5 years are left. If it's second year, then 4 years are left. If it's third year, then 3 years are left. So whatever years are left divided by total of this 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So that would be taken up. This is the method that is used in SYD, that is sum of years digit method. Shall I give you an example as well? If you are given an example that the cost of the asset is 1 lakh, right? Salvage value is given, that is around 20,000, and they are asking you to calculate the in terms of life of the asset is say 5 years. So they are asking you about the depreciation that would be charged in the year 4, right? So what would be the depreciation? That is 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So it's like fourth year would be here, right? So what would be the area? It would be 2. That means original cost. What is the depreciation that we can look forward to in that area? That would be 1 lakh minus 20. 80,000 is the depreciable value multiplied by, that is the fourth year. In the fourth year we have 2 years left because the entire fourth year plus the entire fifth year is left. So it is like 2, that is divided by 15. This will give you the value of depreciation that would be charged in that particular year. Okay. Here comes the next question, everyone. The basic accounting postulates are denoted by. How are the basic accounting postulates denoted? Is it concepts or bookkeeping, accounting standards, or none of the above? The basic accounting postulates are denoted by the term concepts. Okay. Next question, everyone. Due to which of the following contingent liabilities are shown in the balance sheet? Dual aspect concept, convention of full disclosure, convention of materiality, or going concern. Contingent liabilities are exactly a part of the footnotes, not even a part of the balance sheet. Only in case of a banking company, it's shown in that area. It has been given a specific note and it has been specified within the balance sheet, but not a part of the total. Otherwise, in terms of a normal company, they don't even show it among the notes. Even it's showed in the footnotes area. So how do we deal with it? Why is it a part of the footnote? It's a part of the footnote because of the convention of full disclosure. Even if something hasn't happened, we are still supposed to note it down in our books of accounts. So basically, something which is still uncertain has to be reported in case anybody wants to take any decision regarding the sale or purchase of the same, so they can look forward to it. So the correct answer would be convention of full disclosure. Next question, everyone. IASB, International Accounting Standards Board, upon coming into existence, has adopted all IAS and SIC, that is Standing Interpretation Board, therein some IAS and SIC, none of the above, or none of the IAS and SIC. When we talk about the IASB, International Accounting Standards Board, which has given Ind AS. Sorry, international is basically different one. India, we have Ind AS. This is the international one. The IFRS are created because of these. So in this case, the correct answer would be all the IS and SIC are accepted by the board. So they, after this, they have adopted the IAS as well as the International Accounting Standards as well as the Standing Interpretation Board. Right? Next question. In terms of a BSBDA, in terms of BSPDA, basic saving bank account, bank deposit account. It's a small account. What is the limit on the amount of withdrawals and transfers in a month? The withdrawals and transfers in a month are limited to an amount of 10,000. Next question. Partnership type of a business is formed by a mutual agreement of the partners. What kind of agreement is it? Oral agreement, oral or written, or none of the above? In India, we are allowed to have both. So there is nothing like oral agreements are not a valid agreement. Obviously, written agreements are valid ones. So basically, here both oral and written are agreements which are valid in the law, in the eyes of law. So basically, the partnership will include both oral as well as written agreements. As per the Partnership Act 1932, it is allowed to have oral or written agreement. It's just that in case of any troubles between the two parties, then it becomes a little difficult to prove the oral agreement points, right? Until or unless you have any kind of um, proofs, I would say, then there's a trouble there. Next question, everyone. Ascertaining the value of stock from accounting record is known as continuing stock taking, periodic, perpetual, or stock audit. Okay. When we talk about ascertaining the value of the stock, there are two or three ways for doing that. One is continuous, then, okay, in terms of one is called continuous, the second is called periodic. There's nothing called continuous stock taking. Actually, it's just an accepted name of perpetual inventory is only. So basically it's like it's perpetual inventory system, then continuous or perpetual inventory system that is used in order to continuously record all the details of the stock. Whenever stock is coming, we note it down. Whenever stock is going, we note it down. These things are noted irrespective of anything else. So basically, that is a part which they state, or the stock audit. Stock audit is done after a specific period of time, and it's just an audit. That means you just review whether the books of accounts are providing a true and fair view or not. Nothing else. So basically, here the correct answer would be perpetual inventory. Next point. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion and the second is a reasoning. Assertion would be when a company earns profit prior to incorporation, it is called a capital profit. Then capital profit cannot be used for distribution as dividend to the shareholders. In the context of the above statement, which one of the following is correct? A is correct, but second is wrong. B, A is correct and R is wrong. Then assertion is wrong, and but the reasoning is right, or both are wrong. Whenever a company has any profits before its corporation, it's actually called the profit prior to incorporation, and it is taken as a capital profit in the balance sheet, and slowly and steadily it is distributed among the people. So the first point makes a valid sense. Second point says the capital profit cannot be used for dividend distribution. See, dividend is always given from the profits you earn every single day, not something which you already possess. Because ultimately, if you are giving what you have in terms of your savings to those people, then there is a chance that you might lose your capital just to keep your shareholders happy. So in this case, second one is also correct. So it would be both A and R are correct. Okay. In this case, this the main effect of inflation in the financial statement is profits are understated over overstatement of the assets, adequacy of funds for replacement of assets or erosion of capital. When we talk about the term inflation, because of inflation, what happens is there is an erosion of capital. Because now constantly you'll have to spend more money in order to get the same amount of profit, right? So this causes a good amount of troubles for every organization. Next question. A sole trader took goods costing rupees 1000 from the stock from his own use. The normal selling price of the goods is 1500. Which of the following journal entries would correctly record this? Drawings and purchases, drawings and credit for sales, drawings to purchases or sales and drawings. Okay. The businessman has taken goods of rupees 1000. That's the cost, and they were supposed to sell it for 1500. Technically, we have lost a profit of 500 because we took it at our personal pace for our personal use. So that is basically a choice now. So what have we done in this case? So the basic thing that has happened is okay, we have made a drawings for sure, but the point is what amount of drawings. It is basically we have lost purchases as well, so it's also done. So then drawings account debited, which is 1000. Purchases, there's no purchases, it's 1000 again, right? Basically, it won't be 1500 because this is not a loss of profit. We're gonna note down the cost of what we would have sold, because in the books of accounts we would have recorded it as purchase of 1000. Now we are giving it away, so that would be 1000 again. So 1500 is just to give you a kind of a situation where you will think that there is also a loss of profit as well. Now, see, if you got a good of rupees 1000, you're not able to sell it. You just record that 1000 goods that you couldn't sell, nothing else, right? So in this case, the correct answer would be a drawings to purchases worth rupees 1000. We have got a drawings and we are losing purchases because of that. So it would be created. Excuse me. So thank you so much for watching. If you're looking forward to any further details regarding the JIB or the CIB examination, all you need to do is you need to check out our website, that is Adda 24/7, for further details. So let me just guide you towards how to look forward to any of our courses on our website. What you need to do is you need to click on this. That is, this is the place where you will get the entire details of our courses. What you can do is you can look forward to the JIB and the CIB vertical. Here you will get the JIB English medium batch. Under the English medium batch, you will find our Power Pack revision batches plus our the JIB 600 case study batch, and also the PPP, AFB and LRB 3000 MCQ batch, which has got the content videos as well. So this is something which is way too helpful for everyone in order to prepare, right? So they have got more than 82 videos which are available for you. All you need to do is click on the area of buy now, and you can use the code Y541 and you can apply it. Then this would be available for you for 3219 rupees 0.77. So if you're doing it from the app, then you'll get another discount of 1%. So if you're looking forward towards it, then kindly go and check it out. Along with this, you can also review our other courses, that is the Power Pack revision batch, as well as our the 200 case study batch as well, according to your requirements. So go ahead and check it out. Thank you, everyone.